amazipanga present kuti ndi lesbian komano panga deep in her life umapeza unena kuti akuzembera ndi mbambo uyu nyamata uyu and all that. No story ya Tamia ja, there's a connection ya Tamia ja ndi Bushiri, and there are allegations actually which I'm waiting to prove, and I'm going to look into it. Kuti Tamia ja ndi Bushiri, Shepherd Bushiri are connected. You know how far connected they are, that's a different story. Now these people, my point is that in Tamia Jan, they benefit from the corruption. In fact, there's an allegation kuti many DPP in 2019. Do you remember 2020? Do you remember when there was an allegation of Daniel Anali Papero? One of the people that were also mentioned in that allegation, which was never pursued for whatever reason, was never pursued by the MCP government. They never pursued Daniel Papero. There was an allegation there. So when I am making an allegation, Tamia Ja, she live double standards, double life standards, where she present good in lesbian, good yeo, attracted to female females, which I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what she's attracted to. Komano panga deep in her life. Umapeza unena kuti akuzembera ndi mbambo uyu nyamata uyu and all that. But beyond that, in his mezo ndibe nazo nchito. Twendi nacho nchito nchito